Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourself, doing lots of jewelry and having fun. I've been super busy these days because I had my cat to take care of. He's not feeling very well. And I'm also in the middle of renovating my son's kitchen in his new condo. So it's been a bit of a challenge to fit everything in, but there's always time for an unboxing, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to be unboxing Sam's Speedbox for the month of April. Now, if you're not familiar with Sam's Speedbox, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check out their website. And I'll also leave a little bit of information along with a coupon code down in the description section of this video. But anyway, guys, if you've been following my channel, you know that I absolutely love Sam's Speedbox. I think it's one of the best around. They always include stunning check beads as well as gemstones. But the best part about it is the way they curate the box. It's so easy to find inspiration with Sam's Speedbox because they include so much variety. But I don't want to spend too much time talking about how great Sam's Speedboxes are. I want to jump into the unboxing. So let's go ahead, turn the camera around, and we'll get started. And here we have Sam's Speedbox for the month of April. As you can see, the name of the box is Wonderland. And I wonder what the theme is. I'm pretty sure I think I know what it is. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Let's take a look. It says in 2020, it felt like the peculiar world from Alice in Wonderland almost became real life. The last few years have been peppered with memorable characters and happenings, good, bad, and everything in between. But like Alice, I also found friendships to help me through. It was wonderful getting to know Sam as we started up classes for the shop, and it connected me with so many of you. I truly think we carried each other through an incredibly hard time. And further down it says, I was so excited to collaborate with Sam and Rachel Siegel to put together a box shaped by the world of Alice. We drew inspiration from the lush foliage of Wonderland, choosing shapes like the green feather leaves and roses fit for a queen's garden. For gemstones, we picked out some of my personal favorites: crystal quartz, black onyx, and 2 cuts of dragon blood jasper. Terracast brought back their pocket watch and mushroom charms just for this box. I hope this theme sparks your curiosity and inspires you to create. Well, that's a very nice message, and I guess it's from Rachel Marlis of Marley Jewelry. And on the back is a list of all the contents. As you can see, the retail value is $95, and they've also listed the retail value of each item, so that's nice to know. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. And here's some yummy candy. And you pull the contents out. And right off the bat, I'm seeing some beautiful earthy greens and some reds. So cool. Let me go ahead and pull them out of the bag and get organized, and we'll go through each one. And here are the strands. We have this beautiful strand of jasper, and then we have these 3 check glass strands, and we have a strand of black onyx. Let's take a look at the jasper. This is a very long strand, guys. It really is. It's 15 inches long, and these measure 8.3 millimeters. And this is called Dragon Blood Jasper. Look at all the variation in these beads. Aren't they gorgeous? They're mostly green colored, but I see a little bit of red as well. That's why they're called Dragon Blood Jasper. These are very pretty and very earthy looking. I love them. Let's take a look at these melon beads. These are called melon drops. The color is red silk with gold, and they measure 8 by 13 millimeters, and there are 8 pieces on this strand. I've seen this shape before, and I really like it. Melon beads are usually rounded, but I really love this shape. And these are very glossy as well, as you can see. I love this color red too. It's not too bright. It's more of a dark red. Very nice. And let's take a look at these black ones. These are bellflower beads, and the color is jet black with gold. They measure 8.5 by 9.5 millimeters. These would make really nice earrings. I love check bellflowers, I really do. And it looks like we have a coordinating set here. But these are called pumpkin beads, and you can see why. They're definitely in the shape of a pumpkin. They measure 8 by 11 millimeters, and there are 8 pieces in this strand. They're the exact same color with the same gold as these, so they're going to look really nice in a necklace or whatever. Let's take a look at these little ones. Like I said before, this is black onyx, and it's dyed. They measure 3.2 millimeters. They're very small, and this is a 15-inch strand. I love combining red with black. I think it looks really nice together. But these jasper beads are really beautiful. Let me get some more beads. Look at all these fun shapes. We have a triangle, and then we have these beautiful rectangle beads with that gorgeous design. But we also have some botanicals. Sam's Speedboxes usually include some kind of nature-themed bead. But look at this, we get seed beads this time. And it's a mix of colors, as you can see. It's called Wonderland Mix. And these are Toho rounds and the size 11 O's. And this is an 8-gram tube. And from what I can see, the beads are green, reddish, and gold. There might be some other colors in there. I can't really tell, but that's what it looks like. How nice is that? I'm definitely going to be using these. Let's take a look at these maple leaves. I'll put them on a rod. Here are the 6 different types. It looks like we get 2 of each for a total of 12. Aren't these pretty? Oh my gosh, look at these. I love having all these different colors in one design. We have this beautiful green color. Then we have one that's clear or smoke colored. And it looks like it might have a silver wash. And then we have this reddish one. Very pretty. And we have a black one. And we have another one here that looks kind of grayish with gold. Or it could be a Picasso finish. I'm not sure. And then we have this other brownish red colored leaf over here at the end. Really, really nice. And I like it that we get 2 of each because then you can make earrings. Let's take a look at these. I simply adore these. These are so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Look how pretty these are. Let me put something white behind them so you can see the color a little bit better. As you can see, they're pretty transparent, but they're not 100% transparent. And they're a greenish yellow color. Very nice. These are called ornate rectangles. And the color is rustic dark olive. They measure 10.5 by 12 millimeters. And there's a total of 12. I think these are so beautiful. I really love these. Let's take a look at these leaves now. They kind of look like feathers. They're actually called feather leaves. I just took a glance at the label. Here are 6 of them. We get a total of 15. They measure 5 by 17 millimeters and the color is metallic green. And they're definitely very metallic looking. I love that. There's the back. They're slightly curved as well, as you can see. Very interesting. I like that they're long. I like the shape of them. You could definitely do some wire wrapping or you could just thread them on beading wire just like this. Very nice. Let's take a look at this pendant. This is the same gemstone as the strand that I showed you. It's Dragon Blood Jasper, and it measures 20 by 22.5 millimeters. And as you can see, it's drilled on one of the corners. And what a unique shape. I don't think I've ever used a triangular shaped pendant before. What fun. Let me get some more beads. Here are the next 5 items. This collection has so much variety, it's unbelievable. But even though all the items are different, they're kind of related. We have beautiful metallic finishes. We have a lot of gold accents on the beads. And of course we have the red and black colors, which definitely reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. Let's take a look at these. And here are 8 of them. We get a total of 25 pieces. These are Druck rounds in the color green peacock iris, and these measure 8 millimeters in size. Look at the beautiful colors. I love the different variations. That's one of the nice features of the color peacock iris. I've seen it on different beads and I absolutely love it. I think it's so beautiful. And let's take a look at this. This is a quartz crystal donut. It measures 30 millimeters and the hole is actually 6 millimeters across. Look how beautiful this quartz is. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if you guys can see all the different inclusions in the stone. It's difficult to see. I have my spare phone here. I don't know if you guys can see the gorgeous inclusions. It's a little difficult to see, but hopefully you can see it. Very, very nice. I love it. Let's take a look at these. And here are some of them. It's not all of them. We get a total of 45 pieces. And as you can see, there are 3 colors, clear, black, and red. So I'm guessing there are 15 of each color. But anyway, these are 5 polished faceted Hishi beads. And the name of this mix is called Playing Cards. And these measure 3 by 6 millimeters. They really reflect a lot because of the facets. Very nice. And what a fun mix. Let's take a look at these now. These are called faceted cathedral beads, and as you can see, they're clear with gold. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my gosh, I think these are my favorite. I love these. These measure 8 millimeters in size, and we get a total of 18 pieces. I absolutely love that these are clear, and it looks like they have a gold core, which makes them extra beautiful. I really love these. And I know I'm going to like this one because it has a cat on it. And you know I love cats. These 3 came in one bag. Aren't these adorable? Look at this. These are laser etched beads. And this collection is called the Wonderland collection. We have these 2 coin beads. This one has a crown. And this one has some other kind of design. And on the back, they're a little bit different in color, I would say. On this side, they look more blue. And on the back, they look different. This one looks more green, and this one looks more gold. How interesting is that? And let's take a look at the cat. Same thing with the cat. The color looks slightly different on this side. These are so pretty. What an interesting collection. I really like them. Let me get some more beads. And here are the last 5 items. I thought I would add a black flower to my collection to go along with the theme. Look how cool these beads are, guys. They're so beautiful. I absolutely love this theme this month. Let's take a look at these. These are beautiful rose focal beads. They measure 17 millimeters across. And there are 2 colors, as you can see. We have jet black with white, and then we have red silk with black. Aren't these adorable? They're so beautiful. And they're the same on both sides, as you can see. Very, very nice. I'm so impressed. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And this month I've included Preciosa crystal beads. I love Preciosa crystal beads. I really do. Let's take a look at them. I have 8 of them on my rod, but we get a total of 40 pieces. And the color is garnet, but I'm seeing 2 different shades of red. I'm seeing a light red and a dark red. Let me get my phone light. I don't know if I'm just imagining it, but it looks like some of them are dark red and some of them are light red. What do you think, guys? I really don't know, but that's what it looks like to me. In any case, they're a gorgeous deep red color, which I really love. And I love that we get 40 pieces. These have me really intrigued. Let's take a look at them. And here are 10 of them. We get a total of 50 pieces. These are actually Druck rounds. And the color of this mix is Queen of Hearts. How appropriate is that? I feel like I've seen these somewhere, but I don't remember where I've seen them. But I love this beautiful color mix. Some of them have black and gray. Some have black and white. Some have red, black, and kind of a yellowish color. And they measure 6 millimeters in size. How interesting. Oh my gosh, these are so interesting and so unique looking. Whenever I see beads like these, I get a lot of inspiration. I really love it that they're all different. I'm going to have so much fun with these. And here's another fun mix. Let me thread them on my rod. And here are some of them. It's not all of them. These 3 are called lacy coins, and the rest are flowers in a very interesting red and white mix. Some are opaque and some are transparent, and some have gold and silver accents, and some have black accents. The lacy beads look like they have a kind of a coppery wash. I'm not sure, but they're very pretty. They really are. These flowers are actually tulips, so they're very appropriate for spring as well. And maybe that's why they included the flower beads and leaf beads. I'm really looking forward to sitting down and coming up with something. These are so gorgeous. And let's take a look at these. How adorable are these? These are terracast charms. We have this gorgeous pocket watch pendant. Let's take a look at the other side. It's the same on both sides. And then we have these 2 adorable mushrooms. The watch measures 20.5 by 28.5 millimeters, and the mushrooms measure 10 by 15 millimeters, including the loops. Aren't these adorable? They're so cute. I can see them on a pair of earrings. Well, here's the full collection. They really nailed the Alice in Wonderland theme. They really did. I love all the reds and the blacks, and I love that they included different elements. We have the beautiful earthy jasper beads, but we also have a lot of sparkly beads, and I'm a huge fan of nature-themed beads. So I love flower beads and leaf beads. There's tons of variety here, guys. Whenever I look at Sam's bead boxes, I immediately get a lot of inspiration for different kinds of things, and I wish I could create with the entire box, but it would be really difficult for me to fit into my schedule. And I feel really bad about it because they always have such beautiful beads. But anyway, guys, I'll do my best to come up with something really nice. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me put these away and I'll come back and say goodbye. Well, what a fun theme and what gorgeous beads in this month's Sam's Bead Box. I'm going to have to try and set some time aside and see if I can watch Alice in the Wonderland, because as I was going through the beats, I kept seeing images of the movie. And I know it's going to be super easy to find inspiration, so I want you to come back and look for future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.